a story about a wild boar and a lion. Okay, do you know there are some animals which eat only plants? They are called herbivores. Can you name some of them? Huh? Yes, deer, giraffe, zebra, buffaloes, cows, rabbits. Yeah. And there are some animals which eat only animals. So they are called carnivores. Examples? Yes, lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah, wolf, fox. Yeah, so many. And there are some animals which eat both plants as well as animals. They are called omnivores. Example, a bear, a boar, monkeys. Okay, all right. Okay, now our story today involves a wild boar and a lion. All right, let's begin the story. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there was a wild boar who was feeling thirsty. So he went to a stream of water. That is where all the animals used to go to drink water. At the same time, a lion also came there to drink water. Now the lion looked at the boar and said, "Hey, don't you know who I am? I am the king of the jungle. Move aside. I'm going to drink water now." The boar looked at the lion and said, "Oh, so you are the king of the jungle. All right, so what? I am a wild boar. I'm feeling thirsty, so I have come here to drink water. You move aside. I'm going to drink water." The lion said, "Didn't you hear what I said? I'm the king here. I give the orders here. Move. I'm going to drink water." The boar said, "I can't believe it. You said already you are the king of the jungle. So be magnanimous. Come on, move aside. Let me drink first." The lion said, "All right. Now, this is going too far. Come on, let's have a fight. Whoever wins will drink water first." The boar said, "Oh, so you want to have a fight with me? Ha! Do you think I'm scared of you? Come on, let's have a fight. I am as strong as you are." So then what happened? The lion and the boar started fighting. They first moved apart and then they came closer and closer and they had a fight. They started scratching each other and injuring each other. They rolled over. They were hurting each other. Both of them were so strong and they went on fighting for a while. After a while, both of them were tired. And then they said, "Oh, let's take a breath now." As they were taking some rest, the boar started thinking, "Well, the lion is pretty strong. Have I made a mistake by fighting with him? Am I going to win or am I going to lose?" At the same time, the lion was thinking, "The boar seems pretty strong. Have I been stupid enough to call this boar for a fight? Now, what to do? How do I get out of this fight?" When this was going on, there were trees around. Yeah, this was a jungle. And on the trees were vultures. You know vultures? They are scavengers. They eat dead animals. Okay. Now, These vultures were sitting on the trees and waiting. Ha ha ha! These two stupid animals are fighting. Ha ha! Soon, either one of them will be killed or both of them will be killed. Then we can have a grand feast. So the vultures were waiting. When is the fight going to get over? Okay. And the boar and the lion looked up at the trees and saw the vultures. And then they realized that if both of them continue this fight, they are going to injure each other more. Then what will happen? Either one of them will die or both of them will die, and then the lion or the boar are not going to win, right? Who is going to win? The vultures, because they are going to feast on either the lion or the boar, or both the lion and the boar. And so the lion and the boar, as soon as they realized this, they both got up and they said to each other in whispered voices, they said, "Hey," the lion said to the boar, "Hey boar, listen, do you see the vultures on the trees?" The boar said, "Yeah, I saw the vultures. They are waiting to eat us." The lion said, "Yeah, so if we continue this fight, then we are going to be the losers." The boar said, "You're right. Why should we be the losers? So let us not fight." The lion said, "Yeah, I agree. Let us not fight. Let us both drink water together." The boar said, "Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Let us both drink water together. After all, it's a huge stream, is it not? There's so much water for both of us. Let's both drink water together. Let's not fight. And why should the vultures eat us?" So the lion and the boar stopped the fight and both of them went to the stream and drank water and washed and cleaned their wounds and went off their ways. Okay. The vultures were sitting on the trees and waiting, and they saw, "Hey, what's happening? These two have stopped their fight. Oh no, oh no, there goes our feast." The end. Okay. So what have we learned from the story? Number 1. Why did these two animals fight in the first place? Because of their ego. Yeah, the 3-letter word E-G-O, ego. Because of that, they started the fight. Each one of them thought that I'm greater than you. That's why they fought. So let us not have any ego. Alright, so no ego. Okay, then they both realize that if they fight, they will be the losers and vultures will get to gain. What does that mean? Whenever there is a fight between two parties, it is the third party which gets to gain. So, better not to fight. So, what should we do? Live peacefully. Live and let live. Alright? So, best thing is to be good. Alright. So, like my video, share and subscribe. I shall be back very soon with yet another story. Till then, this is Madhavi Aunty saying bye.